Ozone. Ozone is an allotropic form of oxygen. It is formed from atmospheric oxygen in the presence of sunlight. Ozone is prepared by passing a slow dry stream of oxygen through a silent electrical discharge. This is an endothermic process with a positive value for enthalpy change. So, it is necessary to use silent electrical discharge to prevent the decomposition of ozone formed. Pure ozone is a pale blue gas with characteristic smell. It is slightly soluble in water but more soluble in turpentine oil. Its chemical properties. Ozone undergoes thermal decomposition by liberating heat energy. Therefore, ozone is thermodynamically unstable with respect to oxygen molecule. How? When heat is released, the enthalpy change value becomes negative and the entropy change delta S becomes positive. Therefore, Gibbs free energy value delta G, which is equal to delta H minus T delta S, becomes highly negative. Hence, ozone is thermodynamically unstable. Ozone is a good oxidizing agent. It oxidizes lead sulfide to lead sulfate. It can oxidize iodide to iodine. This reaction can be used for the estimation of ozone gas because the iodine liberated in the above reaction can be titrated against a standard solution of sodium thiosulfate. Ozone can oxidize nitric oxide very rapidly. This shows the possibility of slow depletion of ozone layer in atmosphere by the nitrogen oxides emitted from the exhaust systems of supersonic jet aeroplanes. How can we prevent depletion of ozone layer? The depletion of ozone layer can be prevented by controlling the production of nitric oxide and other free radicals in atmosphere. The use of chlorofluorocarbons should be banned to save ozone layer. Structure of ozone. It has angular structure. The central oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized. It is a resonance hybrid of two main forms. Its uses. It is used as a germicide, disinfectant, and for sterilizing water. It is also used for bleaching oils, ivory, flour, starch, etc. It acts as an oxidizing agent in the manufacture of potassium permanganate. Sample questions. Ozone is thermodynamically unstable. Give reason. Answer. Decomposition of ozone results in liberation of heat and increase in entropy. These two factors make delta G negative for conversion of ozone to oxygen. Hence, ozone is thermodynamically unstable. Why does ozone act as a powerful oxidizing agent? Ozone on heating gives nascent oxygen as it is an endothermic reaction. Therefore, it is an oxidizing agent. How is ozone estimated experimentally? Answer. When ozone is treated with potassium iodide, it liberates iodine, which is titrated against a standard solution of sodium thiosulfate using starch as an indicator. Draw the structure of ozone molecule. Ozone molecule has an angular structure and it is a resonance hybrid of two forms. The central oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized.